Welcome everyone. Our topic for today is modular arithmetic. In this video, I will teach you how to add and subtract in modular arithmetic. By my left, the question says copy and complete in mode 4 is addition. Then the right hand side says copy and complete in mode 4, and that is subtraction. If you are given this table and you're asked to complete it, what do? There is a method I will teach you can use to complete any table in addition, no matter the mode. Once it's addition, use the method and you complete the table. Now, because this is mode 4, the method is like a clock. And in mode 4, the highest digit is 3. Modulus shares something in relation with number bases, in the sense that what happens in number bases also happens in modulus. Modulus 4 cannot contain a digit that is up to 4 or even more than 4. So the highest digit for mode 4 is 3. So for this our clock, we will have 0, 1, 2, and 3. So these are the numbers that are valid in mode 4. Now, let's complete the table. The first one says 0 plus 0. First and second. So this first, then this one second. 0 plus 0 means this is your starting point. The first is where you will start on the clock, while the second will determine how many movements you will make on the clock. That is how to use the clock. The first, the one we call the first, the digits here, they are the starting point. While the second, those digits there determine how many movements you make on the clock. So the first one, 0 plus 0, means we are starting from 0 and the second digit is 0, meaning no movement. So you are still at 0. That means the answer is 0. The next one is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means you are starting from 0. The movement here is clockwise. Is clockwise movement. So you move like this, clockwise rotation. That's how the movement takes place. So 0 plus 1 means you are starting from 0 and you are moving 1 places. So from 0 you move once and that will land you at 1. So you write 1. The next one, 0 plus 2, means you are starting from 0 and you are moving 2 places. 1, 2. It will land you at 2. You write 2. The next one, 0 plus 3, means you are starting from 0 and you are moving 3 places. So you move 1, 2, and you stop here, 3. You write 3. Wherever the clock stops, that's the number you write in the table. Now, the next one, 1 plus 0, means you are starting from 1 and you are not moving anywhere. 0 means no movement. So it will still be 1. You are still where you are. The next one, 1 plus 1, means you are starting from 1 and you are moving once. So from 1, if you move once, you will land at 2. Write 2. 1 plus 2 means you are starting from 1, you are moving 2 times. 1, 2. You write 3. 1 plus 3 means you are starting from 1 and you are moving 3 places. 1, 2, 3. You write 0. The next one, 2 plus 0. So you are starting from 2 and you are not moving anywhere. So you still write 2. 2 plus 1 means you are starting from 2 and you are moving just once. And that will land you to 3. 2 plus 2 means you are starting from 2 and you are moving 2 places. 1, 2. So you stop at 0. Then 2 plus 3 means you are starting from 2 and you are moving 3 places. That will be 1, 2, and 3. So you write 1. Then lastly, 3 plus 0 means you are starting from 3 and no movement. So it's still 3. 3 plus 1 means you are starting from 3 and you are moving just once. And if you move once, it will land you at 0. 3 plus 2 means you are starting from 3 and you are moving 2 places. 1, 2. You write 1. And then 3 plus 3 means you are starting from 3 and you are moving 3 places. 1, 2, 3. You write 2. So we have successfully completed the table in addition. Now let's go and complete the table involving subtraction. It's still the same method, the same clock. Now, the difference between addition clock and subtraction clock is just the movement. For subtraction, we move anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Why this one is clockwise? Clockwise movement. This one is anti-clockwise. That's the only difference, but the same approach. 0, so the first still starting point, while the second is still the number of movements you make. 0 minus 0 means you are starting from 0 and you're not going anywhere. So it will still be 0. 0 minus 1 means you are at 0 and you are going to move once. But remember, the movement is anti-clockwise. So if you move anti-clockwise once, you land at 3. 0 minus 2 means you are at 0 and you are moving 2 places. 1, 2 to land you at 2. Then 0 minus 3 means you are 0 and you are moving 3 places. 1, 2, and 3. Write 1. To the second row, we have 1 minus 0 means you are starting from 1 and you are not going anywhere. It will still be 1. 1 minus 1 means you are here and you are moving once. Remember, anti-clockwise. So moving once will land you at 0. 1 minus 2 means you are starting at 1 and you are moving 2 places. 1, 2. That will be 3. Then 1 minus 3 means you are starting here and you are moving 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Write 2 there. Then the next line we have 2 minus 0. You are at 2 and you are not going anywhere. So you write 2. Then 2 minus 1 means you are 2 and you are moving just once. So if you move once, it will land you at 1. Then 2 minus 2 means you are 2 and you are moving 2 places. That's 1, 2. That will give you 0. 2 minus 3 means you are 2 and you are moving 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Then the last line, 3 minus 0, you are 3 and you are not going anywhere. It will still be 3. 3 minus 1 means you are 3 and you are moving once. And if you move once, you land at 2. 3 minus 2 means you are starting at 3 and you are moving 2 places, 1, 2. And finally, 3 minus 3 means you are 3 and you are moving 3 places, 1, 2, and 3. That will give you 0. So, in summary, we have seen that this method can help us fill any table, complete any table in any mode given to us. Once, whether it's addition or subtraction. But the difference is that for addition is clockwise movement, but for subtraction is anti-clockwise movement. Also remember that this is mode 4. For mode 5, the clock will not be exactly like this. Rather, it will be like this. All the numbers that are allowed in mode 5 are the ones you write. So this is for mode 5. You can see we included 4. I just included 4. So that's the difference between mode 4 and mode 5. But the operation is the same. So for mode 8, for example, so that's okay, what is the one for mode 8? Mode 8 will simply look like this. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is for mode 8. The highest digit is 7. For mode 9, the highest digit will be 8. The same mode of operation. Clockwise for addition, anti-clockwise for subtraction. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.